ka National Institution for Transforming India ni ka NITI Aayog kala paidbah ano matagas sngi ka thong jong ka Sampoornata Abhiyan haparish hall Nongpoh bahaba po ka umling block kumshi banta ban shimi kilat klenti ban job halo ka thong jong ka te ka Sampoornata Abhiyan kane ka de ka jingalap ka bakarpang ban poi ka thong ban ka baderu ka jing angnut ban pandep ya kita ki khat arteliki matrekam haki sanspa ateliki block bahab haki chispa khat arteliki aspiration district hapo kari kane ka jing Plie ka Sampoornata Abhiyan lawan manshimanta naduh usuran dar merah arbesar juga NITI Aayog uba meral bun siim MLA ka Nongpoh uba sustenance utun MLA ka Jirang uba daman bait lamare MLA ka Umroy wabilash baranwal deputy commissioner jong karibhoy ki officer sorkar baru ki paidbah no shoshnong jong karibhoy Lyngba ka jing Plie ka ni ka Sampoornata Abhiyan lapan longru nadu ka jinga mare marathon ka jinga kop drodur ka yoya pen inam bat kiwe bala samru iki khusnam syakitu ginong job bersyakitu kinong yuk benta Lyngba ka thong jong ka te ka Sampoornata Abhiyan
Kiba Peterson Lapang Library Subhaya Bhakti Sashisien
are yet to achieve the same, and within the next 3 months the idea is to achieve 100% electrification of all secondary schools as well. Thirdly, we also have to ensure full immunization for all of our children. Today, in this 21st century, the society cannot afford to lose any more child on account of diseases which are preventable in nature. By ensuring 100% immunization will ensure that no child meets an untimely fate because of something. Ensuring that soil health cards are distributed to all the farmers. We have around 2,400 farmers which are able to distribute the same, and through this initiative, our aim is to achieve 100% saturation in the same.
At the same time, with regard to one of the issue which is very relevant in present day generation is the increasing of the drug abuse within our district, within the locality. Just recently, in the program conducted by the Manila AIDS Control Society, we have seen an increasing case of HIV positive within the district. It is on a rise, which is very alarming. So, district administration, we as legislator, NITI Aayog, government of Meghalaya, government of India, a special emphasis has to be taken in order to counter this menace within our society. At the same time, keeping in mind for those young boys and girls who have been already induced in this habit to have a rehabilitation center. Our DC, if you have through CSR also you can do on this, where we should have a government-owned rehab center for the drug addict. Bagi persiang, jauh sorkar India, ban penting kena, bagi tenang kalau kau kerja, tenang kalau boleh putih, tenang kalau kerja, ban persiang banyarap, ya gini harap kita her. Kalau kerja ni, ada syukur kita mentoy, dibahagi hospital ini center ini hilang yo, katu kene tahu kimpat yang dengan ni benang yo susu ban penting kena, baku memensuang bagi center jula ban penting belum. Dia mentah sub-center berkila mentah belum di sub-center di badan Nongpoh distrik itu ni. Jadi kelangan kiu bagi jadi orang jera bermalam-malam pakai riew distrik juga. Jadi kita aspirational distrik kabagi khot kepala itu perpal naki lagi cumudur dari India gini kepada daki spa hajar tinggi distrik dia legit tangsi spa hajar tinggi distrik dari buah distrik di Kuwait ini kita so kemudian ki
Nongpoh is one of the districts among different districts which we have taken under this program throughout the country. As far as Northeast is concerned, there are 41 aspirational blocks, out of which 3 are in the state of Meghalaya. And Riew is one of the districts. Riew district, Umling is one of the block which is doing very well. But at the same time, there are some indicators where we are lagging behind. In some indicators we are doing very good, and in some indicators we are very good. So it becomes our collective responsibility.
Isoban ikwa ang sim but ikentu epi but himship ne kini kabu Lyngba ki programs ki patel kiba da sorkar India da sorkar jilla Lyngba ki ka administration Lyngba ka office jong video Ibalai persian kat bala nagabanca umno ban poi nagabanca ban kimtiu yaki paidbah kibaran hamang lagi blok hamtam nek aspirational block bat kumju yak district kibaro kawai
Megacing mare marathon mene bosan kilometer ikutnya meminta di Joshua di ikutnya meminta ikong Snora running. She is 62 years of age and she has Sampoornata High Secondary School Kaushaken Nongpoh. Jadi kami Aayog initiate kembali untuk office of video umling dan di Abhiyan Industries Association kita employ but I am the funding. Tidak kalian ini
isn't a top-down directive. It's a collective effort and it is the endeavor of the district administration under the guidance of the state government of Meghalaya as well as NITI Aayog to ensure that we achieve 100% saturation on all these indicators. We'll strive to leverage technology and through mass programs, but most importantly through the support of all stakeholders, will ensure that we work tirelessly to achieve 100% saturation in all these 6 indicators. Sampoornata Abhiyan is a clarion call for collective action. Let's bridge the gaps, empower our aspirational district, deploy and create a truly Sampoorn India where every life will flourish. That's all from my end. Thank you. Good wishes.
Di jingwat niya nang magandong kachikapu yang iwi paiwi ngini yang mentoy nanga tahagani khubor ngasno bagai kuplay pi parok sajisen badal hapo kani ka community hall parkum jo mene ngaklat banai kuplay ro ye phada pitar ibane babai behi yang kani kaparis tanale samaro angkini kinten ngakwaban Pensiun dan persajisen naik kuplay belum parok iwi paiwi kuplay naik kendra kunang turku kerdo ingin nyoy kembali ke pahak koi kerugia hadin melarwai yang kini ke program kejong milo nang yang suplai saja lagi isem kami kejang kejong kuplay sipur kuplay sejauh